In 1940, as a member of the Polish resistance, Witold Pilecki volunteered to be captured by the Germans during a street roundup in Warsaw so he could infiltrate Auschwitz. Using a false identity, he was imprisoned as inmate number 4859. Inside the camp, he gathered intelligence, built a secret resistance network, and began documenting atrocities in reports smuggled out to the Allies, making him one of the first people to provide eyewitness accounts from within a concentration camp. In 1943, after nearly 3 years in Auschwitz, he escaped and rejoined the Polish underground. He went on to fight in the Warsaw Uprising of 1944, continuing his resistance against tyranny. Tragically, after the war, when Poland came under Soviet control, Pilecki was arrested by the new communist regime in 1947, falsely accused of espionage, tortured, and executed in 1948 after a show trial. His last words were, "Long live free Poland."